Welcome back to my channel. I am Ivan Michael Achansa, and I'll be doing another activity for this video. And now we are in chapter 5 about the Ethernet. So I'll be doing the activity. We have, I think, 3 activities in chapter 5. And the first activity is in page 5.1.1.5, then 5.1.1.6, and 5.1.4. So let's start with the first activity. So the first activity is about MAC and LLC sublayers. So the instructions is: descriptions of a MAC and LLC sublayers are provided in the table. Click in the MAC or LLC to match the descriptions to the correct sublayer. So there are descriptions, and we will just choose if it belongs to the MAC or the LLC. So the first description is controls the network interface through the software drivers. So I think this one is LLC sublayer. Works with the upper layers to add application information for delivery of data to higher level protocols. I think it is LLC again. Works with the hardware to support bandwidth requirements and check errors in the bits sent and received. MAC. Controls access to the media through signaling and physical media's standards requirements. MAC, I guess. Supports Ethernet technology by using CSMA or CD or CSMA CA. MAC, and remains relatively independent of physical equipment. It's the LLC. Let's check. It says correct. We have successfully matched the descriptions to the sublayer. So let's proceed to the next one. The next one is here in page 5.1.1.6. And this one is about identify Ethernet frame field. So the instructions is drag the 802.3 Ethernet frame field to its description. So here are the 802.3 Ethernet frame field. We will choose it and we will put it or drag it to the field where it fits the description. So the first is the uses pad to increase this frame field at least 64 bytes. It is the 802.2 header and data. Describes which higher layer protocol has been used. It's the type, the frames originating NIC or interface MAC address. So address is the people, so it's address. I'll put it there. Assist a host determining if the frame received is addressed to it. Determining frame received is addressed to it, so I think the address is the destination. So let's put destination address. Notifies destination to get ready for a new frame. Let's keep that first. Synchronizes sending and receiving devices for the frame delivery. Synchronizing and sending. Detects error in an Ethernet frame. The frame check sequence. Well, I think I'll just put this here, and I think that one's there. It's a complete guess. So let's check this for the figure 1. So we got it correct. Correct, you have successfully matched the Ethernet frame field names to their description. So let's do the second one. Here, this about the instruction says drag the Ethernet frame field. Drag the Ethernet frame field to its correct location on the diagram. So we're just going to drag this. How many bytes does it have? So let's do that. So the first one is 7 bytes. I think the starter frame delimiter has 1 byte. So destination address, I think this one's in the 6 bytes. It's 6 bytes, so I think it's both the address and the length. So let's put this here. The header and data is more bytes. Frame check and the preamble. So let's check. Correct, you have successfully matched the Ethernet frame fields to their correct locations. So that's it for the figure 2, this activity. Let's proceed to the last activity. So the last activity is in page 5.2.2.4, and instructions are descriptions of switch frame forwarding methods are provided in the table. Click in the store and forward or cut through fields to match the methods to the description. So we are just gonna read the description, then analyze if it is in the store and forward on the cut through. Buffer, so it has 2 figures. So this is the first figure. Buffer frames until the full frame has been received by the switch. So the buffer first, so I think it stores. Check the frame for errors before releasing it out to its switch ports and full frame was not received to switch discards. So it stores it and then analyze it. And if the frame has no errors, so I think it stores it first. No error checking on frames, so the opposite of this one, so I think it's cut through. A great method to use to conserve bandwidth on your internet. So this one. Destination network interface card or the NIC discards any incomplete frames using this frame forwarding method. Discards, so I think it's cut through. The faster switching method but may produce more errors. It's the faster, so it doesn't store it, so I think it's cut through. Let's check. Correct, you have successfully matched the description to the correct frame forwarding technique. Let's try the last activity for this chapter. And the instruction is read the scenario based on the topology shown. So this is the topology. Identify how the frames will be processed by dragging your answer to the appropriate fields provided in the table. All answers will not be used. So this is the topology. So it starts with this computer, then to the switch, and to the 2 computers. S1, so the switch 1 is a brand new switch. PC1 is sending data to PC2. It's going to send to PC2 to Switch 1 is using full duplex and the MDIX and fast forward as frame switching method. Cabling used in this topology, I think it's straight through because it just connects straight through the switch. Find where PC2 is located. PC1 will send out a broadcast. PC2 will respond back to PC1 by sending back it will set a unicast, I think. After broadcast, then it will send a unicast. If PC2 receives only half of the data of the frame, it will discard it. If PC2 receives many damaged frames on port 3, switch 1 likely will change back to switching, I think the store and forward method of switching. Let's check. So it says correct, successfully match the network access frame scenario processes to the description. So I think there are no more activities. Yes, there are no more activities in chapter 5. That was the last one, and I think the next activity there is another one. There is another one activity that I will do, but in a separate video. It is in chapter 5 too. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.